Lily Jones at y canol. Mae golwr yn cael ei llaw iddi. Os na gyfle i argydio i Rosie Hughes. Mi nath I drio gyda rhyw ôl-sodliad, ond dyna oedd cyfle gorau'r gêm. Davies at Lightsfoot. Lily Jones o bell. Lily Jones a Lily Jones am daran o ergyd o belltar wedi roed Wrexham ar y blaen. Gwaith gwych gan Lily Jones, ferch ifanc 19 oed, yn gweld Chelsea Herbert oddi ar ei llinell. Emily Thomas yn cael ei chroesiad i'r canol, Allen, ond mae Pinder wedi chael ei, oes na drosedd? Oes, mae na drosedd a Robin Pinder yn y cwrt Cosby ac mi fydd hi'n gic o'r smotyn I Abertawe. Pinder, a Pinder yn cael y bel I gefn yr hwyd I sgorio ei 6ed gol yn y gynghrair y tymor yma ac I nioni'r sgôr yma yn y gogledd-ddwyrain. Cic gornel I Abertawe, Hosford. Mae hwnna yn cael ei chlirio. Ond mae'r ergyd I mewn gan Legal, a mae Legal wedi curo Del Morgan yn y gol, a mae Mone Legal wedi roed Abertawe ar y blaen. Hughes a'i phen iddi hi, a Hughes wedi sgorio y croesiad yn dod I mewn o'r dde, a Hughes, pwy arall yn y cwrt Cosby I gael ei phen ar y bel. Ellie Lake sydd yno I gasglu. Lake yn ôl i'r canol. Pwy sydd yna? Mae wedi cyrraedd cefn yr hwyd ac mae Abertawe wedi mynd ar y blaen yn yr amser ychwanegol ar ddiwedd y 90. Tor calon I Wrexham. Allen yn canfod Hughes. Hughes yn gwynebu'r ffrong yn cael ei chroesiad i'r canol. Small, hwnna bron a mynd mewn gan yr eilydd Annie Small. Dihangfa I Abertawe.
Chris, what a dramatic way to win that game in the end.
I can't really put into words what happened. I think it was just delirium at the end there, but really proud of my players for putting in the shift they did because it was a difficult game. It was end to end. It was for the neutral, hell of a game I think you could say it was, and yeah, to get the win the way we did, you know, it proves that this squad has got a lot of spirit in it.
Losing that in injury time must be gutting for you and all your players.
Yeah, I don't think we deserved it. Again, you know, said it last week, you know, I think the scoreline, when you say, oh, you don't deserve to lose 6-1, you know, people look at you and think, not sure. I think first half, we were well on top of the game, and second half, you know, 30 seconds in, probably should go ahead. But listen, it's one of them, we're still learning, and I think in terms of the performance and the attitude that the girls put in, can't fault them.
2 huge games coming up now in the title race against Cardiff. How are you feeling about those 2 games?
Yeah, big games. We said going into first 2, every game is a cup final for us. We've just got to take every game as it comes. And at the end of the day, if we win all them games, we've won the league. But obviously, you know, we're not silly. The 2 games against Cardiff are huge, 5 points clear of us. So we just need to make sure we take Wednesday first, and then we'll go on to Sunday. Hopefully, we can win them both, and then kick on to Aberystwyth next week.
Chdi agorodd sgorio praw ma, gol a hanner, siarad da ni drwyddi?
Na, nes I just gweld bod y gol gyd off I lein, a nes I ddweud Famba I symud allan o ffordd, a nes I just cael pop a gath o I cefn y rhwyd. Mae'n breudd wedi sgorio mewn yn cae yma. Dwi'n eistedd fyny tu ôl i'r gol, so oedd o'n neis sgorio o flaen fan'na. Breudd wedi dod yn wir I fi heddiw, ond just anlwcus yn colli.